This whole video is giving a little bit ghetto, but let's get into it. Here I am making a skillet brownie. I went ahead and just followed the instructions. I was on the box here. I put 3 tablespoons of water, 2 eggs, and 2/3 a cup of cooking oil. You can do whatever kind of cooking oil, eggs, and motherfucking water you like. Okay. Make sure y'all clean y'all mess up. That was my whole purpose of showing this. And really, I stirred that up and made like minimal mess, to be honest with you. It could have got way worse than that. But make sure y'all clean y'all mess up. So y'all look, I'm pouring it into a skillet because I just moved it to my place like a month ago. And then sadly, like I lost my job right after that. So I ain't been able to, do my ones and twos yet. So I'm just working with the fuck I got. And don't act like y'all don't be going to BJ's and getting y'all a little skillet brownie or a brookie or whatever they put in the skillet. It's the same shit. Judge your mammy, not me. But look at that motherfucking brownie though. That motherfucker glistening. It's good. Oh, I couldn't even decide which piece I wanted. You see my hands swirling around it. Excuse my ashy fingers, but that's how I'll be in my kitchen. I'll be cooking, I'll be cleaning the hoes, ones, twos. You know what I'm saying? So if your hands ain't ashy when you in your kitchen, you not doing it right. All right?